I'm Hippy. Welcome to my house. Do you know the alphabet? I do too. Let's see. It goes A for alligator, B for bear, and C for... Actually, I'm not too sure what comes next. But I know what can help. The Alphabet Factory.
Hippy,
Come with me and let's learn the alphabet together. You know what I have to do. Turn the lights off. Welcome to the factory, come and take a peek. Animals get turned into letters A, B, C. Through the conveyor belt, one by one. Let's see what they'll become. A is for alligator, alligator. B is for bear, bear. C is for cat, cat. And D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant with its trunk, splashing out water on everyone. Elephant in the alphabet factory. F is for fox, fox. G is for gecko, gecko. H is for hippo, just like me. Hippo, hippy. Let's see what's next. I is for iguana, iguana. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish. K is for kangaroo, hopping around. Kangaroo jumps on the ground. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for narwhal, narwhal. And O is for owl, owl. Should we keep going? P is for penguin, sliding on ice. Being a penguin must be so nice. Penguin, here it comes at the alphabet factory. Q is for quail, quail. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for snake, snake. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for unicorn, sparkling bright. Unicorn all through the night. What could be next? Let's wait and see at the alphabet factory. V is for vulture, vulture. W is for whale, whale. X is for x-ray fish, x-ray fish. And Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Zebra, last one to come out. Now there's nothing else to see at the alphabet factory. Let's turn the lights back on. Phew! I think I finally got the hang of the ABCs. It was fun visiting the factory and seeing all those animals. My favorite animals were the tiger and, of course, the hippo, like me. What was your favorite? Yeah, that's a great choice. Well, thank you for joining me. I'll be off now. Goodbye.